Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Today I started to show you my beautiful face once again. Thank you so much for stopping by. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. I appreciate you for always coming back to watch my video, for sharing, for liking, for commenting. And please, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please remember to subscribe, leave your notification bell on so that you will be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to make a healthy swallow fufu using broccoli that I have not showed you earlier in this channel, but I have made a video of how to use a cauliflower to make your fufu or your swallow. So today we'll be using the brother, the sister, and the twin of the cauliflower, which is broccoli, to make healthy fufu, and I'll be showing you the easiest way to achieve that in just a twinkle of an eye. So guys, let's get started. Over here are the broccolis that I will be using. Don't mind how it is looking. I bought this about a week ago. I forgot to take it out from the nylon because my kids were sick, so I was busy taking care of my kids, postponing to make this broccoli, and the color changed because of the heat. But yeah, I'm still gonna use it. I have washed it very well several times, so now I'm cutting it into tiny cubes or shapes so that it will be easy for blender to blend. I'll be adding just a little bit of water. You can skip this because we are steaming it, but you have to steam on a very low heat. So I'll be steaming it on a very low heat for about 15 minutes. And while waiting for that to steam, I will just prepare the cauliflower, which I have here as well. This one I want to steam this and eat it with fish, so I will not be putting it in this recipe. So I will cut it and set it aside. Then after 15 minutes, I will open the pot. You see that the vegetables has wilted, so I turn the pot to stir it around so that everything will cook evenly. The first process, you can use your blender to blend this without adding water, but you have to be stirring it occasionally so that it will mix very well and blend. But you don't need to use this method because this method takes a lot of time. So what we have to do is to use our hand blender to blend everything inside the same pot which we used in cooking it. But make sure that you're not using non-stick pots because this hand blender will spoil the Teflon in the pot. Make sure you use like a stainless pot like mine. After blending with hand blender, is looking like this. Now we can add the binder. I'm using psyllium husk, and this is what it looks like. For one broccoli, I will be adding 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk. So I added 4 teaspoons to this. I will put it back to fire on top of your stove top and keep stirring it on a low heat till it thickens together and binds together. You can also use xanthine gum to bind this. Psyllium husk is a very good source of fiber, so it will help in your digestion. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon more of the psyllium husk because I wanted it to bind very well, to be stronger. So you have to adjust the psyllium husk depending on how soft or how hard you want it to be. But remember that you stir on a low heat so that it doesn't burn, because if you use high heat, it will start burning without combining together very well. So I will stir and stir for at least 5 minutes. And once I'm satisfied with the texture, just like so, then I will take it out from the heat. No need to add a little bit of water, cover it and start cooking it again like we do with normal fufu, because this is vegetable. You don't want to overcook it. You know, we have cooked it earlier till it is soft, so adding another water, covering it to cook it, will make it to lose all the nutrients. So like this, I'm happy with the texture, so I will be taking it out to tie it. So I just saw one lump. I just want to take it out and chew it, so my blender did not do justice with that one. Now is the time to tie it. Tying it and leaving it for few minutes or hours before eating it will make it to set very well. So I will use a nylon to tie it and keep it aside so that it will get cold before I freeze it. I normally make this a lot. I don't like cooking like every day, so I do this so that it will last me for a week. So I will tie it, just portion it the way that you want to be taking it, one after the other, and allow it to cool down before freezing it. You can put it in the fridge, you can put it in the freezer. What I normally do is a night before eating it, I will take it out and put it in the fridge. Then I just microwave it and it is good to go with any kind of soup of your choice. Please, if you find this video helpful, like, share, subscribe, and engage in the comment section. I will be there answering all your questions. This is a healthy alternative to eating fufu, eating amala, eba, or banku. This is where I'll be coming to the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.